Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about zero waste gardening. We're going to go over the basics of how to start, and then I'm going to give you some pro tips to help boost your growth. So whether you're a beginner gardener or you've already got a green thumb, stick around. I've got something for everyone. So first things first, what is zero waste gardening? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. We reuse what others throw away. We take those wilted herbs, those veggie scraps, and give them a second life. It's nature's way of saying nothing is wasted when love grows it again. Okay, now let's dive into the how-tos. How do we actually make this magic happen? These can be a game changer for those with limited natural light. Additionally, a heat mat can help mimic the warmth that your plants would naturally receive from the sun. Both of these tools are fantastic for those in low-light homes or looking to maximize their herb growth. First off, let's talk about green onions. You can also freeze chopped herbs in olive oil cubes for easy use in cooking. As you continue on your zero-waste gardening journey, remember that what you grow today could bloom into something way bigger than you imagined. Whether you're just starting out on your zero-waste gardening journey or you're a seasoned pro, remember that magic awaits in your scraps. Don't forget to subscribe and share the joy of growing from waste. Remember, growing from waste is really growing from love. And now for the storytime portion of our show. Let's talk about some fun facts and traditions related to zero-waste gardening. Did you know that in ancient Egypt, green onions symbolized eternity because of their circular shape? They believed that the cycle of the onion represented life, death, and rebirth, making it a symbol of immortality. How fascinating is that? Now let's talk about basil. Did you know that there was a legend that basil would only grow if you spoke lovingly to it? This folklore tale highlights the connection between our emotions and the natural world. It's a beautiful story that shows how plants may respond, not only to our touch and sunlight, but also to our words and intentions. Isn't that magical? Can you imagine fresh mint tea to ease tummies and calm nerves after a meal? Or how about adding celery leaves to your soup broth for extra minerals? With zero-waste gardening, you'll have fresh ingredients to elevate your cooking. For mint and basil, dry them on paper towels, then jar them up with labels. Every little leaf is worth saving and savoring. Grab those roots, place them in a cup with a little water, and place it on your sunny windowsill. Next up, we've got celery. Don't throw away that base. Did you know that basil leaves add antioxidants to pasta, pizza, and even salads? That's right. We're turning simple dishes into nutritional powerhouses. Just place it in water and keep an eye out for new growth in the center leaves. Why not turn your zero-waste gardening into a mini business? Sell fresh herb bunches at your local farmer's market or even start a small online store. Share your journey with others by starting a mini YouTube or IG series. Document your regrowth process and share tips and tricks with fellow gardeners. Who knows? You might just inspire someone to start their own kitchen garden. Now let's discuss basil and mint. Take those stems, place them in water, and remember to change the water every few days. Pro tip, did you know you can regrow romaine lettuce, garlic cloves, and even carrot tops? All great options for zero-waste gardening. Place your jar on a sunny windowsill and let the roots do the work. Remember, light is essential for photosynthesis, which helps our plants grow and thrive. One thing I love to add to my zero-waste gardening routine is a dash of natural root tonic. This can be as simple as willow water or a drop of liquid kelp. This helps give your plants a nutrient boost and encourage strong root development. It's like a little treat for your roots. The ideal spot is one that receives bright indirect sunlight. However, if you have a north-facing window or live in a low-light home, don't worry. There are a couple tricks I'm going to share later in this video. Now I'm going to share a little secret with you guys. The next step is all about transitioning to soil. Once your roots are about an inch or two long, it's time to pot them up. Choose a well-draining soil mix and bury just the rooted section of your plant. Remember, don't bury the leaves. They need to be above ground. Now here's a pro tip. If you're a fan of basil, which let's be honest, who isn't, feed it with a compost-rich soil. They absolutely love it. Pro tip, no. 2, if you're a fan of fresh herbs but find that your windowsills aren't quite cutting it, consider investing in a grow light. It's time to harvest. Cut the leaves with clean scissors and store them in jars of water with bags over them. This keeps the moisture in and extends their freshness. Now let's talk about the culinary and healing uses of our homegrown greens. Let's look at some additional ways to incorporate our regrown greens into our lives. Here's a bonus tip for the aspiring entrepreneurs out there. It's amazing to see how something so simple can bring so much joy and health into our lives. All right, my friends, it's time to wrap things up. Keep growing joy here at Allie's Leaf Lab, and I'll catch you next time with more gardening wisdom. Until then, happy growing.